Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another Stamp Club Reveal. This one is for April and it is our Scripture Club Reveal. Now I want to answer a question before I show it. The question I get asked a good bit is, can I purchase this set even if I'm not a club member? You sure can. This set's available in our store. It is not discounted the same as if you are a club member. If you're a club member, you get a discount on this stamp set. We mail it to you for free, and you take advantage of the club member discount on your other purchases in our store. But all that information is in the description below. All right, now on to this one. This is one of my faves. I got to show you this. I love this so much. This one is called Rejoicing in Hope. Look at that huge hope word. So many of our friends need to be reminded of hope and what the hope that God gives us, the hope we can have in Jesus. And this set is going to help you do that. This big word hope goes with these scriptures that we've given you and a few other words. For example, this one says rejoicing in, so you can stamp these together. This says constant in prayer. This is a reminder to be constant in prayer. This one says, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you a hope and a future. And that can work well with that one. This one says, he shall strengthen your heart, all ye that hope in the Lord. That's from Psalm. This one says, may the God of hope fill you with joy and peace. And then, do you see all these little scripture references? They all go with hope. So if you're going to use the big word, you can just put the scripture references next to it and make this fit. And also, it encourages the recipient to look up the scripture to see what you're saying to them. Love this so much. Now, be sure to check out the product page for this, where Sylvia does a sample page to show you how everything connects together. The other thing, do you see this little swirl? I asked her to do this for me on purpose. This little swirl can do a couple things. Number one, it's really cute stamped through the word hope, and then to put all the little flowers and little leaves and things on it. But let me show you this. This is what I wanted this for, and I think it turned out really cute. In some of my research for card making, I'd seen where people were really kind of cutting the corner off of the card and decorating behind it. And I love taking that stamp, stamping along the corner and letting it be my cut guide to get this kind of look. So when the recipient gets the card, it's like this. Isn't that pretty? I love that. Rejoice in hope. That's one sample. Another sample I have for you is this one. Rejoicing in hope with letting the paper do the work. I love this. This is a sticker from the stamp set. I did the little rejoice in and the word hope here. Then on the inside, I had fun with that little border set. I thought that was really cute. And I did these facing the same way, but I think if you did them the other way, it'd be just as cute to kind of be opposite of each other and kind of decorate the inside of your card. And then one more for you. This is a sample that was, well, actually it's a card that I cut in our Made It Society class, and I had this base left over, and I thought this is a perfect place to use it. Watch what happens here. So hope opens, you have the little birdhouse, and then you have scripture right behind. See how that just kind of hides it there so it surprises you when you open it all the way out? I love that. So those are our 3 samples with this stamp set. So one more thing I want to mention to you, if you have a Cricut or a Silhouette or a design program, you can go in and do the word hope in different looks and even cut it out in different shapes. And then you could still use it with these scriptures. So if you had one that was really cursive, or if you had one that was kind of frilly, or just maybe even more masculine, you could cut that out and then use that as your big word. That would be really cool. Okay, you guys, that is our stamp set for this month. Now, as always, if you make a project with this stamp set and you post it to our customer gallery, that enters you to win a $50 gift card. And you might have won last month's $50 gift card, so you want to check the description of this video and see if your name is listed in the top line. Hey, thank you so much for being part of our club, and until next time, bye now.